Hey, what's up, you guys? It's me, Jill. I got a swimsuit on, a backpack ready, about to leave my house with my parents because we're going to the beach. Vamos para el Cambrón. Finally.
Look at you, looking at me. I know you know how I feel. Loving you is hard, being here is harder. You take the wheel. I don't wanna do this anymore. It's so surreal. I can't survive if this is.
We changed plans. Ya no vamos al Cambrón. Estamos en Carolina. Porque estaba lloviendo. Yo estoy leyendo el letrero y dice Carolina, bañaria de Carolina.
Y la verde.
Gilberto dice Balneario de Carolina.
Dice Carolina, bañaria de Carolina.
Pero no,
Pues si yo estoy leyendo el letrero.
Va a ir la verde.
Anyways.
No me creía.
Según papi estamos en la verde, pero según el letrero dice estamos en Carolina, so no sé, lo que sabemos que no estamos en Escambrón porque estaba lloviendo.
All I wanna do is get high by the beach, get high by the beach, get high. All I wanna do is get by the beach, get by, baby, baby, bye, bye.
Okay, Mom is already in the water. Right over there. I'm gonna get in as well. And now it's raining.
Pues Gabriel, mira.
There's an airport right there. There's an airport right there, right next to the beach, and it's raining. Covering ourselves, we got our stuff. This day's ruined. It's still raining. We're still in our shelter. I guess you can say this is a beach day gone wrong or something like that. I still don't know what I'm gonna title this video. Well, it stopped raining. My parents are going into the water right now. And maybe finally we can enjoy from this beach day. And hopefully it doesn't rain anymore. So we just left the beach. I have these weird like mosquito bites. I don't know, like right here on my arm, right here as well. I don't know if you can see it, but I don't think it's mosquito bites because there weren't mosquitoes in the beach. So I don't know what it was, but it really itches. So hope it's nothing serious.
All I wanna do is get high by the beach, get high, baby, baby, bye, bye.
Hey guys, good morning. It is the next day. I forgot to make an outro video yesterday. We just got home, we ate something, I watched some Netflix, and then I just went to sleep and I totally forgot to make an outro for this. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this vlog. Thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. All my social medias will be linked down below. And before I end this video, I have a little bit of announcement. Usually I post on Wednesdays, and on my last video I said I was gonna try to post more often since I'm in summer vacation. I don't have to worry about school anymore. But recently I went to go to a job interview and I got the job in retail. So for now I'm gonna be working full-time, so I don't know how that's gonna affect my YouTube schedule because I usually post on Wednesdays And I did say I was gonna try to post more often during the summer before I start school. But yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna be able to post this video, when I'm gonna be able to edit this video and post it, so I'll let you guys know. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you later, guys.